Oliver Twist is famous for saying, "Can I have some more of that, please?" And today I'm going to show you how to make this magic potion that will have you saying the exact same thing. I went to visit my daughter and she handed me this cup of coffee and it was so delicious and it just had this subtle taste I couldn't identify. I drank it, drove home, and kept thinking about this coffee she had made me, and so I called and said, "What is that?" And she told me it was vanilla flavored simple syrup that she buys at the store. And so I came in and made it immediately and ended up with this delectable yumminess, and I put some in my coffee and there is no going back. So I have equal parts of sugar and water. So if you use a half a cup, you want to use a half a cup of water and sugar. But I've got a cup of sugar here and a cup of water. So however you're measuring it, as long as they're equal parts, you're good. Turn on the burner and we're gonna bring that to a simmer. While that's dissolving, I've got 2 vanilla pods here. It's 1 pod to a half a cup, or I'm putting 2 in for the full cup. Slice this in half. And we're going to put that right in the water. So we're just going to put those in and let that sugar kind of dissolve. And I've got my heat on medium high since I'm standing right here. This has so many uses. You could put this in anything you eat or drink. If you drink alcoholic beverages or even not alcoholic beverages, you can make fraps and no. What are the things you put bananas and raspberries and? Oh, a smoothie. It would it would go so well in a smoothie. I mean, you can use this for anything. And so this is starting to just simmer. This was first created to help people take medicine and for soda fountains. It's how they used to sugar those sodas that you used to go to, or I didn't, but when they had soda fountains. Okay, I'm gonna let this go about a minute to 2 minutes and let that just simmer down just a little bit. See, it's changing, the vanilla is changing that sugar water, just slight color change. I'm going to turn this off. So we're gonna let this sit and let those vanilla beans infuse that sugar water. So now I'm going to, this is cooled off enough to touch these. I'm going to take these out and just scrape along, so to get all that gooey goodness out of the vanilla, I'm just going to scrape that, and you end up with the vanilla seeds in there. Okay, so there's the vanilla. We're going to just, the gooey, because we've cooked them. And then because that's cooked, it's kind of clumped together. So I just take a whisk and I break that up a little bit. So now what we have is this delicious looking vanilla syrup with vanilla beans in it that is just going to continue getting better and better. This is a bottle that I bought on Amazon, so if you're making a smaller amount, this is a perfect size. This is also one you can get on Amazon, and I'm going to put this, because it's a little bit more than that, I'm going to put it right in here. And I am going to scrape out the remaining little vanilla beans that have kind of been left there. All the flavor needs to go in here. And there we go. This is all by taste as far as what you want to put in your coffee. It is delicious. I'm using about 1.5 tablespoons to 2 tablespoons for my cup of coffee, but I do like it either black or with sugar. And as Mary Poppins said, just a spoonful of sugar helps the medicine go down. Thank you.